Okay, let's jump right into this explainer. Look, if you've ever searched for the best Shopify bundle app, you already know the pain. It pulls up these massive, overwhelming lists of tools that all claim to do the exact same thing, which leads straight to decision paralysis. Well, today, we are completely cutting through that noise. We're going to give you a strategic, revenue stage-based framework for choosing the perfect bundle app. So, no more headaches, just the exact right fit for where your business is at right now.
But before we even look at a single app, let's talk about the proof. Why does this actually matter? Just look at this number. Pet supply store IntegroPet wanted to increase their average order value, but they didn't want to be super pushy about it. So by deploying a really simple, clean volume discount strategy right on their product page, they saw a massive 40% lift in their average order value. That translated to over $111,000 in additional revenue in just 16 months.
And this next one brilliantly illustrates what happens when you hand over control to your customers. Top Dog Food brought in over $1.1 million in new revenue using a highly customizable build-a-box strategy. Basically, by letting their passionate customers mix and match different product sizes into fixed 20 or 40-pound boxes, they turned a standard, boring purchase into a gamified, interactive experience. The data is absolutely clear here. Getting your bundle strategy right is incredibly lucrative.
So, here's our roadmap for today. We are going to track the merchant journey chronologically. We'll start with the power of product bundles, look at launch stage apps, then growth stage apps, how to avoid the fulfillment trap when you scale, and finally, we'll cover some winning strategies you can literally launch today.
Okay, Section 1, the power of product bundles. Let's take a look at the current landscape.
When you look at the verified landscape of the top 10 apps out there, categorizing them by their best store stage and top use case proves a really fundamental point. The best app isn't just the one with the most bells and whistles. Actually, scratch that. It's entirely about finding the precise fit for your specific needs. From all-in-one tools like Vitals for your launch phase, to Kaching for growth, all the way to simple bundles for when you hit serious scale. Your choice depends 100% on where your store is at right now.
Moving right along to Section 2, Launch Stage Apps. This is for stores doing $0 to $150,000 in yearly revenue.
Now, at this launch stage, your main priorities are testing out different ideas and strictly managing your cash flow, right? To help out your startup budget, we've actually secured a VIP perk for you. Get an extended 40-day free trial plus 10% off your monthly plan for Vitals when you sign up through our link.
And here's why Vitals is so crucial for this stage. It's an absolute all-in-one powerhouse. It completely solves that tech headache new merchants face because it gives you bundling capabilities alongside over 40 other essential apps, like reviews and currency converters. It does all of this for a single monthly fee. You consolidate your tech stack, potentially save hundreds of dollars a month, and it easily handles those high-impact classic bundles and volume discounts that new stores desperately need.
But let's say you are starting with a literal $0 budget. Let's compare your options. On one side, we have Bundler. This is the undisputed king of free apps. Its free plan lets you spin up unlimited classic bundles with incredibly fast setup. On the other side, there's the native Shopify app. Yes, it's 100% free, but it's really limited to basic fixed bundles, and it completely lacks the merchandising and inventory features you get with third-party apps. It's an okay starting point, sure, but you're going to rapidly outgrow it compared to a robust freemium option like Bundler.
Section 3, Growth Stage Apps. This is all about maximizing your profit.
As you start scaling past that $150,000 mark, your focus has to shift toward aggressive profit maximization. To help you execute on this, here is another exclusive perk. You can use the code SSK20, that's SSK20, to get a 20% discount on all plans for Kaching bundles and upsells. Now, what's really interesting about Kaching is that it's a complete average order value toolkit. Yes, it absolutely nails those buy more, save more volume discounts, but the real magic here is the built-in A/B testing. This lets you use hard data to optimize your highest converting offers, and you do it all from a really clean, no-code, customizable dashboard.
Alternatively, if your ultimate goal is extreme customer customization, FBP, which stands for Fast Bundle Product, is going to be your top choice. This app features a super powerful visual builder that makes the popular mix and match or build-a-box experience incredibly engaging. Plus, it's one of the rare apps that integrates perfectly with Shopify Point of Sale. That creates a flawless omni-channel experience, which is just essential if you're selling things like apparel, cosmetics, or food and beverage.
On to Section 4, Avoiding the Fulfillment Trap for Scale Stage Apps.
Once you scale past 7 figures, we reach a bit of a plot twist. Your biggest threat is no longer marketing, it's the operational nightmare of fulfillment chaos. See, many standard apps create what are called virtual bundles. It's just a single new SKU. It looks totally fine on your storefront, but it causes utter chaos for your third-party logistics warehouse. Their software has no clue what items are actually inside that SKU, which leads to shipping errors and unfulfilled orders. The fix? Component-level syncing. Apps like Simple Bundles use this to break the order down into exact individual SKUs on the Shopify order. It creates a perfect warehouse pick list. At scale, this is simply non-negotiable.
And then there's another massive operational hurdle, the notorious Shopify 100 variant limit. This is a hard-coded platform restriction. Think about it. If you try to sell a custom 3-pack of t-shirts with 20 designs and 5 sizes, boom, you instantly shatter this limit because the possible combinations are in the thousands. Advanced operational apps brilliantly bypass this limit. They use scripts to group items as a container on the back end, which unlocks limitless mix-and-match combinations for your customers without breaking any of Shopify's rules.
All right, our final section. Section 5, Winning Strategies to Launch Today.
Choosing the right app is a great first step, but it's the strategy that actually drives the revenue. Here are 4 proven plays you can literally launch this week. First, the frequently bought together, AI-driven, Amazon-style upsell. It's amazing at perfectly anticipating customer needs. Second, tiered volume discounts. This is arguably the most direct way to trigger that buy more, save more psychology. Third, BOGO and free gift offers, which create a ton of urgency and make customers feel like they've snagged an exclusive deal. And finally, the mix and match build-a-box experience, making the whole purchase feel deeply interactive and personalized.
And let's not forget to look at the hidden revenue after the sale. Increasing your average order value is great, but customer lifetime value is where empires are built. Think about it. You can use the data from a bundle purchase, say a 3-pack of coffee, calculate that it takes about 90 days to consume, and use that insight to trigger perfectly timed automated Klaviyo emails. Sending a friendly restock reminder at day 80 automates those repurchases and builds incredible brand loyalty right when they need you most.
So as we wrap things up today, we've clearly seen that bundles are a fundamental growth lever for any Shopify store. But the real questions you need to ask yourself right now are, how much revenue are you currently leaving on the table? And honestly, more importantly, are your current bundles breaking your fulfillment, or are they building your empire? Take these strategies, find the exact perfect app for your stage, and go scale your revenue.